So I'm gonna flip the note card over, and when I flip it over, Chase will start timing you. And it won't stop until you correctly type everything out. Okay, ready, set, go.
For this experiment, we surveyed 20 random students to see if there was a correlation between the amount of time spent on messaging app within the past 24 hours and the time it took to correctly type out a sentence we've made. We found out there's some students that had 2.5 hours time on their messaging app, and it took them 23 seconds to write it out. And then for others, there was only 36 minutes on the app, but they did it faster with 17.5 seconds. Our greatest outlier is when a student took 23 seconds to write our test sentence, but they were on their messaging app for 2.5 hours in the last 24 hours.
Our formula for this testing was y equals a plus bx, and our a equaled 31.9856, and our b equaled negative 0.061959, which was our slope. The formula with all of our data in it together was y equals 31.9856 plus negative 0.061959x. Our correlation coefficient was r equals negative 0.354131, and to get that we entered in all the data on our calculator TI-99. Spent on the messaging app within the past 24 hours was our independent variable, and the time it took to correctly type out a sentence was our dependent variable. Our result was that our graph was actually a weak negative linear relationship because it was under 0.4. Was the amount of time spent on messaging app within the past 24 hours has a weak negative linear relationship with the amount of time it took them to correctly type out a sentence.
Man, heck.
What's wrong, Rabb?
Man, these kids, man. Talking stats, making me feel confused.
Man, to heck with them kids, bro. Look around. Look at these graphs.
Man, you're right.
Yeah, and you see these fine ogives over here?
Yeah, whoa.
And you see these trees? You see this water?
Yeah, I guess it is alright.
Come on, man, you got so much more to graph, bro.
Yeah, you're right.
Man, you darn right I'm right. I can't remember the last time I was ever wrong.
Man, thanks, little beer.
Hey, man, that's what I'm here for.
Ain't been squaring high, only got a standard normal curve, ain't gonna lie. I know when I grab my box spot, I'm probably right. Gobble me up on your wall is looking pretty fly. I noticed, gonna pass my pop quiz. All this data coming at me, I wonder who throws it. Ready for my test on Friday, studied up and focused. Adam teasing Natalie in the back, he's steady roasting. Oh, Josh.
Oh, take M&M on Tuesday. Thought I checked my sample size before I take my survey. No one pays attention, Mondays, those are always slow days. Man, these stats so complicated, some days I get math-induced headache.
Hey, 6th period, dumb lit. List editor F6. Test corrections are so sick. Just trying to stay focused. In our senior year coasting. Got homework passes like post-its. I got a selfie with Cheryl. I just ain't never posted. I'm in the end, but ain't posted. Z-tests on F6. Set up editor F1. And stats class like 6 flags. And pre-cal is no fun.
So you can come grab some lines though. Your curve is skewed, but it's fine though. We're ending the year on a high note.
I got my TA89. An HO2 reject cause it lays on the shaded side. A scatter plot to graph and try to find the best fit line. And all my curves are normal over 30 sample size. I got my TA89. An HO2 reject cause it lays on the shaded side. A scatter plot to graph and try to find the best fit line. And all my curves are normal over 30 sample size.
Oh, I got my TA89. I got my TA89. Oh, I got my TA89. I got my TA89. Oh,
She said the graph was done, I might have to go check that. All my coordinates come in pairs like the ice in my stat class. I remember doing math before there were hashtags. Always solving problems with my young scholars. I'ma put my pencil down cause my hand throbbing. I done did so many scatter plots and not stopping. Got my classmates on my back like the last name. I remember my regression.
Oh, 10 months later, finished status, time to graduate. Best fit lines and regressions, yeah, they're all the same. One for failing all my tests, now I'm making names. One for mainly stats are created, we killing the game. So I remember stats class and all the memories. We're going to college now, high school seems like history.
I got my TA89. An HO2 reject cause it lays on the shaded side. A scatter plot to graph and try to find the best fit line. And all my curves are normal over 30 sample size. I got my TA89. An HO2 reject cause it lays on the shaded side. A scatter plot to graph and try to find the best fit line. And all my curves are normal over 30 sample size.
Oh, I got my TA89. I got my TA89. Oh, I got my TA89. I got my TA89. Oh,
Oh my god.